You wake up not feeling well, but you are scheduled to work. Which symptom would require you to stay home from work? A. Headache. B. Vomiting. C. Coughing. D. Runny nose. Answer, B. Vomiting is a clear sign of illness and a reason to stay home to prevent contamination. Your coworker says he is sick. You. A. Make him some hot herbal tea to help with his pain. B. Tell him to stay in the kitchen away from the customers. C. Tell him to report to the manager and go home. D. Ignore it and avoid him so you don't get sick. Answer, C. Reporting illness to the manager ensures proper steps are taken to maintain food safety. The temperature of refrigeration units, salad bars and other cold items must be kept at or colder. A. 51 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 47 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, B. Maintaining temperatures at or below 41 degrees Fahrenheit prevents bacterial growth in perishable items. Where should raw meat, seafood, and poultry be stored so they don't contaminate other foods in the refrigerator? A. Always below other foods. B. The top shelf of the refrigerator. C. On paper towels in case the meat drips. D. Above the fruits and vegetables. Answer, A. Storing raw meat below other foods prevents juices from contaminating ready-to-eat items. Germs can be spread from a food worker even when the food worker looks and feels healthy. Which of these is the best thing you can do as a food worker to prevent spreading germs? A. Work with food, but wash hands often and wear gloves. B. Keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold. C. Keep the floors clean. D. Cool hot foods quickly. Answer, A. Frequent hand washing and wearing gloves are critical to prevent germ spread. The manager is responsible for training you about food safety in your job duties. These duties include preventing foodborne illness by A. Keeping food costs down by reducing food waste. B. Timing food preparation to be ready for waitstaff to serve. C. Keeping you productive during your entire work shift. D. Storing food in a manner to prevent contamination. Answer, D. Proper food storage practices are essential to prevent contamination and foodborne illnesses. The manager is responsible for knowing the food sanitation rules. This includes the supervision of food handlers in A. Following a cleaning schedule for the dining room. B. Knowing liquor laws and prohibitions of service. C. Demonstrating proper cooking temperatures. D. Notifying customers of problems in the kitchen. Answer, C. Ensuring proper cooking temperatures is crucial for food safety. Sanitizer must be mixed properly to work correctly. What is the correct way to use a sanitizer? A. Change the sanitizer solution often to make sure it stays clean and fresh. B. Use a little bit more sanitizer than the manufacturer's instructions to be certain the sanitizer is working. C. Mix more than one sanitizer together to double its germ-killing potential. D. Mix the sanitizer solution with bleach. Answer, A. Regularly changing the sanitizer solution ensures it remains effective and uncontaminated. Bare hand contact is not allowed when handling A. The garbage. B. Food crates. C. Ready-to-eat foods. D. Spoiled foods. Answer, C. Avoiding bare hand contact with ready-to-eat foods prevents contamination. Which one of the following can make people sick? A. Cooking ground beef below recommended temperatures. B. Preparing food in small batches at room temperature. C. Storing breaded foods in the refrigerator prior to use. D. Running cold water over hot noodles in a colander. Answer, A. Undercooking ground beef can leave harmful bacteria alive, leading to foodborne illness. The best way to make sure that the sanitizing solution is still working is to A. Check the solution with a pH test strip. B. Use the smell test. Good solution should smell like ammonia. C. Check the color. If brown, add more sanitizer. D. Whenever in doubt, add more sanitizer. Answer, A. Using a pH test strip ensures the sanitizer is at the correct strength. The best way to ensure food safety is to order the food from an approved source. Which of these is not an approved source for food? A. A cannery whose permit comes from the Department of Agriculture. B. Supermarket produce. C. Meat with a USDA stamp. D. Game meat you killed and prepared yourself. Answer D. Game meat you killed yourself is not regulated or inspected for safety. Someone has just finished cutting raw meat on a cutting board and is about to cut lettuce for a salad. What sequence of actions will prevent cross-contamination? A. Rinsing the board and knife off with water and washing hands. B. Wiping the board and knife with a cloth rinsed in bleach water. C. Washing, rinsing and sanitizing the board and knife and then washing hands. D. Wiping the board with a paper towel and using a new knife. Answer C. Properly washing, rinsing, and sanitizing the equipment prevents cross-contamination. Where must you store chemicals such as cleaners and sanitizers? A. With equipment and clean utensils. B. On the shelf above food and utensils. C. Away from any food or clean equipment and utensils. D. At least 6 inches above the floor. Answer C. Storing chemicals away from food and utensils prevents accidental contamination. Vegetables have to be cooked to what temperature if they are going to be held hot before serving? A. Vegetables aren't required to be cooked if being hot held. B. Vegetables can only be washed prior to hot holding. C. Vegetables must be cooked to 135 degrees Fahrenheit prior to hot holding. D. Vegetables may be cooked until warm to the touch. Answer C. Cooking vegetables to 135 degrees Fahrenheit ensures they are safe for hot holding. When do food workers need to wash their hands? A. After using the toilet. B. Before starting work, after all breaks, and any other time hands get contaminated. C. After handling raw foods, dirty dishes or garbage. D. All of these. Answer D. Hand washing is necessary at all these times to prevent contamination. When it's busy, you notice a coworker washing his hands without soap for around 5 seconds. What must you do? A. Wash your hands like he did. B. None of these. C. Nothing because he tried washing his hands and it is busy. D. Remind him of the proper hand washing methods. Answer D. Proper hand washing is crucial, even when busy, to maintain food safety. Which activity is most likely to cause foodborne illness? A. Wearing long hair without using a hairnet. B. An employee who continues to work when ill. C. Storing tongs on the counter. D. Reusing breading mix. Answer B. An ill employee can easily spread pathogens, causing foodborne illness. Where should your establishment's meat and poultry come from? A. Your own sport-cut meat can be used at any restaurant. B. A government-inspected facility with a food processing license. C. Anywhere, as long as you inspect it when you receive it. D. The corner store. Answer B. Meat and poultry from government-inspected facilities ensure it meets safety standards.